Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, welcome to my September Saturday stitching, and the theme for September is the letter S. So today I am working on Seaside Villages by Joy Sunday, and I got it from DiamondArtDecor in April. So yeah, so today we're going to be working on this greenhouse, and the number for that is, hold please, 955. Get that out of the way. And it is kind of a pale green. So yep, I already had the thread started there, so I thought, why not? Yeah. And before we get started, I did finish the one at Sashiko that I bought. Let me pull you out and up. So yeah, it is completely done now. So yay, one down, and finished. Big ones. So I'm starting on a sampler one, so we'll see how long that one takes, but so far so good. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with these when I get done, but you know, we'll just keep making them. And it's so nice and soft after you've finished stitching. It's kind of like when you do quilting, it kind of breaks the material down. So yeah, I was quite pleased. All right, I'm going to have to move that. That's just not going to work for me, but we don't need it to really be there. Let me see which direction I can get started here. This seems to be one of the bigger areas. So we will just work with it. So what is everybody doing on this lovely weekend? Whoops. I'm sorry. We are just not making progress. There we go. Yesterday, I was out and, out and about yesterday. I did go to the thrift store. I had to go to the hardware store. I was trying to think what you'd really call that. The hardware store, and get the bird seed. So I got that. Went to the thrift store, and I found some material I could use. And then I went to the grocery store and picked up all the rest of the stuff that I wanted to get. You know, my every 2-week going to the grocery store trip, you know. Got that all home and put it all away. And then it proceeded to just absolutely pour. And pour and pour. It rained off and on all the rest of the day. Yeah. So it was that kind of day, so I made myself a pot of tea and sat there and worked on that Sashiko thing, and worked on, what is it? Joy on a Branch. Seems to be the one I'm stuck on this week. Or past couple weeks, I should say. And I made that chicken breast stuffed with the cream cheese wrapped in bacon. Boy, that don't sound like it's got a lot of calories in it, but it was good. I added a little bit of hot pepper flakes to the cream cheese and some chives, and maybe a little handful, because I only had 2 chicken breasts. handful of, like cheddar jack. I think I got because I couldn't get the Kojak. So, yeah. I am not going to make that. And had that with some grapes that I got at the grocery store. They were really, really good. I don't think we're going to need that on there. And what else did I... Oh, I bought that horrible... I don't know. It was horrible to me. It was not real good. It was some kind of white rice with... Oh, God. Like shredded carrots and broccoli. And maybe onion. I don't know. It just... Yeah, it didn't work. That part didn't work. I've never had that before. So, yeah. But the rest of it was really filling. It was good. So I'll be eating that for the next couple of days. Because I could only eat like half a chicken breast with the little sides, you know. I needed something to cut all that, I don't know, globbiness, if you will, of the cream cheese. I put a little too much cream cheese in the center. But other than that, it tasted really good. I had that, I think it's called sweet hot chili sauce. I usually get it for my, not kung pao. What is it? Crab rangoon. Or egg rolls to dip them in. So I just kind of drizzled that over the top of it to kind of give it some kind of moisture, because I thought it was kind of dry. And when I was talking to that girl at work, you know, about making it, we were trying to discuss what kind of a sauce she would put on the top of it. So this is as close as I could come, because we figured everything else wouldn't work. So, don't think I'll be making anything else. I did make a DiGiorno pizza there. You know, after I got back from the grocery store, got everything done. I hadn't made the chicken breast yet, see, so I threw one of those DiGiorno pizzas in there. Because I was just kind of tuckered out and wanted to sit down and do nothing. Watch some Netflix and some YouTube. But yeah, that rain just kind of did me in. I laid down, took like a 2-hour nap. Just could not deal anymore. And it really didn't look bad when I was out. I mean, but it just very quickly evolved. So, be surprised if we don't get snow here pretty quick. We'll see. It's got that crease right there, and it keeps wanting to bend. Of course, when you wash this, it'll come out of its thing there. When you kind of block the picture. Oh, and I was looking for this, and guess what else I found? I found Peter Rabbit. I mean, the big Peter Rabbit, the one with all the little characters and stuff. Yeah, I had sat it in the bag because I had one of those grocery shopping bag things with the jingling ladies in it. So, yeah. And there it was. I was like, that's Peter Rabbit. I looked everywhere for that thing. Couldn't find it at all. I was starting to panic. But my friend was coming from Arizona, and I had picked stuff up, and I guess I just laid it right in the top of it so I wouldn't lose it. Oh, yeah, that worked well, didn't it? Because I never remembered that I did that, but I'm sure that's when that had evolved. And I hadn't had it out since. So what is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun. Whoops. Oh well. We're just gonna play like that didn't happen. The thread is light and the thing is light blue. So it's a bit of an issue here. But we'll get it. So no more plans for the weekend. Nothing going on here. I hope y'all got to go somewhere and do something fun and exciting. And I don't know what your weather's like. Is it hot? Is it cold? But if anybody has anything they would like to share, you can send it to my email address, and I will put it in the next Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can. So, fun times. Ah, goodness. So I have no idea what I'm going to work on today. I kind of like to work some more on Peter Rabbit. I'd like to finish that one Peter Rabbit that I have been working on. I think it's only got... What in the heck are we doing here, kids? Got a couple sections on his coat, you know, like the trim, and probably some of his fur that runs down like his collar. Yeah, collar. Like his chest, like from his neck to his like stomach. Because I told you it was all in, I don't know if it was B5200 or 3865, I can't remember. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. But I just love that pattern. It's not difficult. And you can work on little, what do you call it, motifs. One at a time, a few at a time. Yeah. So yeah, that might be the stitch of the day since I found it. Come on. This isn't a hard stitch either. It's just got a little bit bigger areas. It takes a little bit longer to get things done. But it's certainly not, what do you call it, confettied. Now Peter Rabbit, he's a little bit more. That's why I say working on motifs, different motifs, because it's just got a few stitches here and there, so I just go around with one thread and get that thread done and go on, you know, to the next color. But this has a little bit bigger areas. So we'll see. I don't know how far we're going to get up here, but I think it's about to come out of this stupid, what you call it, needle again, so it's kind of light and fluffy today. Sometimes the thread is kind of wispy, you know, it's just weird. And other times it's got some body to it, other times not so much. I'm just going to fold this in half. There we go, and then put that there, and then pull that out. Oop, didn't go far enough, did I? So, yeah, I gotta go right through there, and down through here, and all the way around. So, yeah, it'll take a moment. It took a moment to do all that peach color in there, but I think it'll look great when it's done. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.